Good morning, children. Did you complete the revision of exercise 2? Okay. So let us continue with the last problem of exercise 2, where we are going to find the degree of the algebraic expression. In the last class, we have learned how to find out the degree of a monomial. Okay. So now let us see how to find out the degree of the algebraic expression. So initially what you are going to do is draw the boxes. How many terms are there? Two unlike terms are there. So let us draw two boxes. This is for your understanding that we are drawing the boxes. Now we have to add the exponents. So here you have y square and this is z. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the degree of the first term is 3 and let us see the degree of the second term. Y to the power 1 and z to the power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So here whenever you are asked to find out the degree, whichever is the highest degree, that is considered to be the degree of the given algebraic expression. So here 3 and 2, which is greatest in these two? Greater one, 3. So the degree of the given algebraic expression 2y square z plus 10yz is 3. Understood? So now let us do the next question. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. How are you able to decide that there are 4 terms? Because you know that the arithmetic operation is going to separate one term from the other term. So we are going to draw 4 boxes and here it is y square z. 2 plus 1 is 3 and here y 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then z is 1. So 1 square plus square, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the degree of this given algebraic expression? The degree is highest degree. Which is the highest one among these? It is 4. So the degree is 4. So whenever you are asked to find out the degree of the algebraic expression, this is the way that you have to find out. What did we do? We are taking a box representing one term. For each term one box we are taking and then we are adding the exponents and writing the value in the given boxes. And then we are writing what is the degree of the given algebraic expression. Understood? Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is exercise 3. We are going to learn how to add like terms, how to subtract like terms, how to add and subtract unlike terms, simplification, and then we have standard form of an expression, how to write and finding out the value. These are the things that we are going to learn. So let us understand how to find the sum of like terms. So here there is an algebraic expression, that is x plus 4x. X plus 4x. You know that these two are like terms. How do you know? Because both are having the same variable, which is x. So now what you can do is take x common. If you take x common, you know that this is 1x. So 1 is left plus, what is left here? 4 is left. So here you are going to get 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is 5x. What is the answer? 5x. Which law are we using this? In your first chapter you have learnt which law? All the laws you have learnt. We are using here the distributive law. Okay? Distributive law we are using to add the like terms. Now let us check with the next example, which is 4y minus 2y. Here you can see that both the terms are having y common, the same variable. So let us take y common. So what is left? 4 minus and 2 is left. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2y. Which law are we using here? Distributive law. Which law we are using? Distributive law. Okay. So this is for your understanding, but when we do in our problems, simplification and all, when we do, we are not going to write each step like this. Okay, directly from here we will subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2y we are going to write out the answer directly. But for you to understand clearly, now I am explaining bit by bit. Okay. Now next let us see how to write the standard form of an expression. Standard form of an expression. So to find out the standard form, what we are going to do is, we are going to check with the degree of each term. Each term's degree we are going to see, and according to the degree we are going to write it in the descending order. Descending means big to small. So from the biggest degree to the smallest degree we are going to write. Now yesterday's class I have told you that for a constant the degree is very good. It's a 0. So now let us rearrange this given algebraic expression in the standard form. So here when you 3 terms are there, x to the power 1 and x square. So the degree is 2 and 9 is a constant and the degree for a constant is 0. So this is 0. So now according to this we have to rearrange. So this becomes 5x square plus 3x plus 9. This is the standard form of the algebraic expression. Understood this? First problem we did addition, then subtraction, and then third one the standard form we have written. So now let us do the fourth one, which is write the expression 5x square minus 4 minus 3x square plus 3x plus 8 minus 5x minus 13 in its simplest form. Okay, first thing what we have to do, we have to write it in simplest form and then find its value when x is equal to minus 2. So now let's begin. Copy the given algebraic expression 5x square minus 4 minus 3x square plus 6x plus 8 minus 5x minus 13. Now what are you going to do is, first select the variables which are having the terms which are having the same degree. We are going to write the terms which are having the same degree, that is 5x square, and one more x square term is there, that is 3x square. Now let us check with the variable x. Okay, the terms which are having x. So here plus 6x is there, then you have minus 5x. Okay, x terms you have 2 that we have written. Now let us write the constants. Okay, minus 4. Then these two we have already written, plus 8 minus 13. Okay, so these two are having the same degree. 5 minus 3 is 2x square plus 6x minus 5x. 6 is greater and the greater value is having the positive sign. So we are going to write plus sign here. 6x minus 5x is x. Then minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. Plus 4. Now minus 13. So this is minus 9. Or otherwise you can do this like this. This 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 minus 8 if you do. 17 minus 8 is 9. So the greater number is having minus. So it is going to be minus 9. So this is the simplified form of the given expression. This is the simplified form. There are 3 unlike terms. Now this is the first part of the solution. Now we have to do the second part, which is find its value when x is equal to minus 2. So now we are going to copy the simplest form, which is 2x square plus x minus 9. So in this part we are going to take the value of x as minus 2. Let's substitute. So 2 into minus 2 whole square plus into minus 2 minus 9. Okay. Now you know that when you have this in your first chapter you have learned plus Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. I told you how to remember this. When one minus sign is there, it is a minus. When two same signs are there, it is going to be a positive sign. So now let's look at this. Now minus 2 into minus 2. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 2 2s is 4. So 2 into 4 plus. Plus into minus is minus. One minus sign, so minus 2 minus 9. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 8. We are going to subtract. This is going to be minus 3. So you got the value of this given algebraic expression as minus 3. Minus 3. Understood this? Copy in your homework books, children. Okay children, now let's do the next problem. Area of a rectangle is given by A is equal to L into B. L into B. If L is equal to 9 centimeters, B is equal to 6 centimeters, find its area. This is the question given here. So what are we trying to do here? We are going to find out the value. Finding the value we are going to do for the area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. L is given as 9 centimeters into B is given as 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. 6 9s are 54. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters. Square centimeters you can write like this. SQ is square centimeter, or you can even write this as 54 centimeters square. Okay, square like this. Exponent we write now. Same way you can write centimeter square. Anything is correct. Understood this? Copy in your homework books, children. Okay children, so now let's do exercise 4 problem. Add the following algebraic expressions using both horizontal and vertical methods. Did you get the same answer with the both methods? This is what you have to find out. What is a vertical method? Vertical, one below the other, we are going to write and find out. What is horizontal method? Horizontal, sleeping. Okay, side by side we are going to write and do the simplification. Okay, so now first let's use the vertical method. Vertical method, when we are trying to use, the first thing is copy the algebraic expression which is given. So when you are writing the next term, the next algebraic expression, we are going to see where we have to write. You have to check the variables. Is it AB variable or is it x square or y square? A square or b square? What is the variable? According to that you have to write. So here in the second one they gave 3AB. So I am not going to write 3AB over here. I am going to write 3AB where AB term is there. Then you have 6A square minus 2B square. Then the last one is 4B square minus 5AB. If nothing is there, it means plus. So now what are we going to do here? Add. Addition is given, so we are not going to change the signs. We are just going to add and write the answers. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4AB. Is it plus sign or minus sign? The greater values are having positive sign, so it's going to be a positive sign. Then 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7b square. 7b square. So here you can see that 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7b square, and it is going to be a positive sign. Now 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is 10a square. So you got the answer as 10a square plus 7b square plus 4ab. This is your vertical method. Now let us do the horizontal method. Horizontal method we are going to use. Okay, so now let's write 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab plus 3ab plus 6a square minus 2b square plus 4b square minus 5ab minus 5ab. Now let us write all the a's together, a square together, 4a square, 6a square. So these two terms are finished. Now let us take b square, 5b square minus 2b square plus 4b square. Now let us write the last ab terms, plus 6ab plus 3ab minus 5ab. So now let us write the last one. 6 plus 4 is 10a square. 10a square plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So it is 7b square plus 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4ab. So you can see clearly that the two answers are same. The solution is same. So whether you use the vertical method or you use the horizontal method, the result is same. Whichever method you feel it is easy, you use that particular method only. Understood, children? Copy in your homework book. Now let us do this. Subtract the second expression from the first expression. This is what we are going to do. So first let us use the vertical method to do this. Vertical method. Okay. So let's copy the first expression. 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square. Then 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, whatever is a sign here, we are going to write the opposite sign below. So here plus is there, we have to write minus. Minus is there, write plus. Plus is there, write minus. Because we are subtracting, it is going to be the opposite signs. Now 3a square, look at the below sign, minus 3a square. This is going to be 0. Then minus 8ab plus 4ab. So it is minus and plus. So greater value is minus. So let us write minus. 8 minus 4 is 4ab. Then minus 2b square minus 6b square is minus 8b square. Same sign, so we have to add. But because two minus signs are there, we are going to write minus below. Understood this? Vertical method we have solved. Now let us use the horizontal method. Horizontal method. Okay. So now let's copy the first algebraic expression. 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square minus of 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square plus 6b square. So now let's write. This will be equal to 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square minus into plus becomes minus 3a square. Minus into minus is plus 4ab. Minus into plus. 1 minus sign, so it is minus 6b square. Now let's rearrange the terms according to the degree of the term. So it is 3a square minus 3a square. A squares we have written together. Now b square minus 2b square minus 6b square. Okay, these two terms together. Now minus 8ab plus 4ab plus 4ab. Now 3a square minus 3a square is 0. So 0 we are going to write or just leave it off. 6b square minus 2b square. This is going to be minus 8b square minus 8ab plus 4ab is minus 4ab. Did you get the same answer? Minus 8b square minus 4ab. Same answer you have got. So whichever method is easy for you, use that particular method to solve. Copy in your homework books, children. So now let us do this. Subtract the sum of these two expressions from the sum of these two expressions. So what are we going to do? First of all, find the sum of the expressions. So let's try. X square minus 5xy plus 2y square. Now I am going to use the vertical method. So whichever method you want, you can use that. So 2xy minus 3x square. 3x. So here you can see that initially they have given y square. Y square you have to write where y square is. And x square you have to write where x square is. So this is minus 3x square and this is plus y square. Okay. Now let's do. 1 minus 3 is minus 2x square. Minus and minus is there. Let's write minus 5 minus 5 plus 2 is 7xy plus 2 plus 1 is 3y square. Understood this? How did we do? This is simple addition. So no change in the sign. We are just going to do whichever. Plus and minus is there. Minus we are doing. Minus and minus is there. We are adding. Then 2 plus signs. Then plus addition we are going to do. So this part we have finished. Now let us take the second part. 6x square minus 8xy minus y square. 2x is given. So wherever xy is there we have to write. Then minus 2y square minus 2y square minus x square minus x square. This nothing is there, so it is a positive side. Now let's do 6 minus 1 is 5x square. 8 plus minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6xy. Minus and minus, so write minus. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it is 3y square. Understood this? So now, still we are not completed the problem. First we have to find out the sum of these two algebraic expressions, then the sum of these two algebraic expressions. After that they have given subtract the sum. This sum we have to subtract from this one. So let's try. 5x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. Then minus 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square. Okay. Now let us write the opposite sign for this. Minus is there, so plus. Minus, so plus. Plus is there, so write minus. So now let's see this. 5 plus 2 is 7x square minus 6xy plus 7xy. So it is plus xy. Then minus 3y square minus 3y square. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it is minus 6y square. Understood this? Copy in your homework books, children. Okay children, let us do the next problem. If at all they give A is equal to one algebraic expression, B is equal to another algebraic expression, C is equal to another algebraic expression, and they give A plus B plus C or things like that, you are going to use horizontal or vertical method and solve those problems. That is there in exercise 4 10th problem. All the problems you have to practice this. Only thing is I am selecting randomly the problems which are different and which concepts you have to know, that I am teaching now. So let us do this. What should be taken away from this to get the other one? So now let us copy. 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus, what should be taken away? Taken means minus. You don't know what is there here, so I am going to draw a box. This is equal to minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20 plus 20. So now let us write this. This box is going to be taken to the other side and this is going to come this side. 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus x square minus